In this video, we are going to test IDMT curves. So this is one of the important tests which is implemented using the advanced module. Click on this advanced tab. You have the timing button available here. Click on this. This is the main screen to test the type of elements. So here we are going to test phase direction, phase non-direction element, but with the timing using IDMT curves. We have the options of enabling or disabling for electromechanical relays or pickup test, instantaneous pickup test. So all these options are available. So currently we are going to do phase timing with IDMT as per the configurations done in a ABB make REL 670 relay. So when I put a tick mark, I have the options to select the type of curve that we want. You can see the different types of manufacturers available here and the different curves available here, IEEE, IEC. So let me select IEC and configure it as IEC curve A standard inverse. I am not using a directional feature here. The pickup value is 1 amps. The time dial is 1. The delay is also configured as 1 in the relay. So we need to get these information from the relay. So let's see where it is configured. In settings, IED settings, current protection, instantaneous. Okay, we are going for time delay. So 51, phase over current protection. So the function is on, and step 1 configured for, okay, here we have to go for step 2, which I have configured. Non-direction, IEC, normal inverse, pickup of 1 and time dial K2 as 1. So this is what is configured here, which is reflected in our software. And the LED for this particular function is overcurrent trip, corresponding to overcurrent trip. So let me click on the tick mark to start the test and click on timing, phase timing. So this is the curve, and how it works is for various time dial, it verifies each phase R, Y, B, and phase to phase and 3 phase. So let me click on, you can do it step by step. So let me first play AN. So it gradually increases. The relay has picked up, you can see the start, and when it goes near the curve, it has operated. So now it goes for the second time dial. So let me reset the relay. Right. So that's for time dial 3. That's for time dial 5. So this will be repeated for all the other phases. So let me do one. Okay, let me do all the phases together. So we can have a quick view of all the phases, how it's tested. Our current trip. So it's one of the easiest method to test IDMT curves, where you can select multiple points, and other option is you can also click here directly and enter the points that you want, whether you want 2.5 or 3 or 3.5 or any value that you want, and you can increase the number of tests that you want for each phase. So we have to ensure that feedback is connected properly. And another important point while doing this testing is all other protection functions should be disabled. Else when we are giving high current, especially when we are testing more than 5, because of higher magnitude, the relay would be testing on some other protection, and the feedback would be giving wrong results in this particular test case. So now we are testing phase to phase So you would have seen the list of curves available in the menu which I showed earlier. So you can select any type of curve, and also there are options for custom curves. In that case we need to match the nearest curve and identify the points to do this test. So CA. Any manufacturer specific curves, if you are selecting, you also get that in the result here after completion. And anytime by clicking here you can abort the test. And this is the final test for 3-phase. So you can see based on the result here the overall status is up here, pass or fail. So everything should be in the range of 4.2 seconds, and this is in the range of 6.3, and this is in the range of 10 seconds. So that's how we test IDMT curves using this automated module.